Trentadu's 2005 Cabernet Sauvignon is made entirely from the winery's estate-grown fruit in the reputable Alexander Valley region of Sonoma County. Also blended with smaller amounts of Merlot, Petit Verdot and Syrah, this wine shows an impressive depth and complexity of aromas and flavors. The 2005 Cabernet Sauvignon has also received great press, including a Best of Class honor from the Los Angeles International Wine and Spirits Competition, a gold medal from the San Francisco Chronicle Wine Competition, and a gold medal from the San Diego International Wine Competition. Deep red in color, this Cabernet gives dominant notes of ripe plums, Bing cherries, cigar box and toast smoky oak, and with further decanting reveals layers of cloves and exotic spices. The mouthfeel is surprisingly soft and juicy with round and mature tannins, well-balanced acidity and an impression of sweetness on the finish. Try pairing the Trentadue 2005 Cabernet Sauvignon with barbecue chicken, roasted pork chops, strong flavored cheeses and dark chocolate. Enjoy now until 2012.